Beautiful rainy day. And with the sound of gunfire in the background. Just a normal day. No chemtrails to see today. It's too cloudy. Bring back the sun.